Hi, Deputy Pagel. I appreciate you joining us today. Somebody in my office came in the other day and told me about a program that she had taken at the sheriff's office that she called the RAD program, and she was saying great things about it. What is the RAD program?
The RAD program stands for Rape Aggression Defense. It is a program of realistic self-defense moves geared towards women. We start off with awareness and avoidance and risk reduction strategies geared towards you yourself, your home, when you're out and about, in your vehicle. Then we progress on to the basic hands-on self-defense moves. Then where we differ from other programs is that we actually take it a step further and we simulate an actual attack. And we call this our simulation. We actually dress up some aggressors in some big red suits, and we simulate the attack and we allow the women to utilize the moves that we taught them. That way we're able to get their adrenaline up in simulating that attack so they know how they will work under pressure.
A lot of ladies in our office express some interest in this program about going and taking it, but some of them express a little concern because they might not be as physically fit as they may need to be to take this program. How fit do you need to be to take the RAD program?
We take any and all fitness levels. We gear the course specifically towards your comfort level. We go from age 13 on up to 103. What we do is we tell you to work at your own comfort level, at your own pace. If at any time you feel tired and need to just kind of step back, even older women that couldn't go through the whole thing, if just sitting and watching it gives them some of the information that they can use, even if they're not able to physically participate in it. The simulation is completely 100% optional. Not everybody has to do that. We highly recommend it because we will keep it in a controlled environment so it's safe, that no one gets hurt. That way the student will at least have the idea of what it's like utilizing that small amount of force, but then should the need for caution arise, they would be able to deliver it 100%.
All right, so where do people go? If they want to sign up for the RAD program, where do you sign up? How much is it? Where do you hold it? Those kinds of things.
Okay. The RAD program is always free. The Sheriff's Office is always free of charge. In order to sign up for a class, if you go to www.alachuasheriff.org, right on our home page we have a RAD program link. From there it gives you a description of the program, how to contact me, and there's also a link there for our schedule. The class is a 12-hour course, and we split it up over 3 days, 4-hour blocks. We can do them in the evening, afternoon. We will do weekends by request, and they're held in various locations. We like to have a class every now and then out at Santa Fe College and the Gainesville Police Department. We've been working in conjunction with Westside Baptist Church, the Alachua County Health Department. We can hold it at your own venue if you have the location that can support the program.
Are husbands, boyfriends, are they invited? Can they participate in the program?
Absolutely not. This is a rape aggression defense program strictly for women. Men are prohibited from attending the class, other than our instructors.
All right. From what you just told me, I got the sense that if a group in a neighborhood of women wanted to have this in a neighborhood center or in a clubhouse someplace, that could be arranged?
Absolutely. I have done clubhouses before. As long as we can be somewhat private and that the windows can be covered up so that the outside public can't view what we're doing, I will be more than happy to come to clubhouses in different neighborhoods.
What do they need to bring? If they come and they sign up for your class and they can arrange a place where you're comfortable having a group of women to put the class on, what do they need to bring to the class other than just themselves?
Other than themselves, the first day is come as you are. We have a lecture portion that day, and that's where we focus on the prevention. The second day, we have an open area where we're able to do, in essence, like an aerobics type class. We do kind of like kickboxing. They need to just dress comfortable, casual, tennis shoes, shorts and t-shirt kind of thing. And same as for the third day, which is when we do the simulation exercise.
Now you mentioned, you literally said the age group for this class is from 13 to 103. There may be parents out there that may be interested in having teenage daughters take this class. Tell us about some of the benefit that teenage girls may have.
The teenage girls benefit greatly from this because we have some of the teenagers that are going from high school and going right into college, and they have that newfound freedom that they don't have to answer to anybody. And part of what I present to these young ladies is the importance of having that person to answer to, or at least someone to be accountable to, because these are things that these young girls don't think of as they embark upon their college careers and away from their parents. So it gives them, first of all, the self-confidence they need that can they need to protect themselves, and also the education on how to reduce it and prevent it in the first place.
Deputy Pagel, thank you very much for joining us today.
Certainly, thank you for having me.